started recording because they stopped this car and then they started searching their car pretty quickly. And now they backing up like they scared or something. How you doing? What's that? I don't need anything. Thank you. Appreciate it. What's that? I'm not waiting for anything. I'm waiting for my food, actually. And if I was waiting for my food, I'd be fine standing right here as well. I'm good. I'm good here. What am I standing over there for? I mean, what do you mean?
Investigation going on.
Okay.
Stand over there for me.
I'm fine right here.
Sir, it's my last time to ask.
Okay, you can ask me as many times as you want. There's nothing wrong with me standing right here.
You got your ID on you?
I don't need any ID.
Sir, stand over here for me. We got an investigation.
Okay, well then why don't you do your investigation?
Stand over here for me.
All right.
Are you listening to me?
I've heard everything you said, brother.
All right. Stand over here for me.
Where am I standing over there for?
I have an investigation going on.
Okay, so why are you over here with me?
Here.
You don't have any investigation going on right here. You got an investigation going over there. Unless I'm mistaken. I'm in the garage. You're on the public street. I'm in my garage where I work.
Nothing else to do.
I can do. This is a free country.
It is.
I'm able to stand right here,
Ask you to stand
and
over
I
here.
appreciate you asking me, but I'm gonna respectfully recline.
I'm gonna respectfully take some time off when I'm done with this.
Okay, brother, go and do what you're gonna do, because you ain't got to do here. You're choosing to be here with me.
No,
There's no need for you to be here.
okay.
Okay, have a good day, sir. Okay. So he's threatening me to that my great day may not be so great. Again, I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm not doing anything illegal. I have every right to be right here. So, actually I do, because I work here, my car's in this garage, and I'm getting food from the Domino's. So is right here fine for you? Okay. Okay, you don't have to take any time out for me now or later. So, okay, again, you can choose to do what you want to do. I have every right to stand right here, and you have every right to do your investigation that you're claiming to be taken care of. Now, if you want to tell me what I'm doing illegally, I'll be more than happy to comply to what you're saying. As of now, I'm not doing anything illegally. I have every right to be in this property. I work here. My car is parked in here. My food's being cooked right here. I have every right to stand here and observe, just like any free person in the United States. It doesn't make a difference if I was here or by my bike over there. I could be anywhere here because I have every right to be here. You have every right to take care of your investigation, but yet you're choosing to converse with me. No, I'm not choosing to place myself. I didn't stop this car right here. You stopped the car where I work at and where I'm standing. Okay, sir, take care of your business. I'm not going to talk to you any further. You're actually standing on private property versus public property. So you actually are in the wrong. You have every right to be there. Your traffic stop is not on this private property, which I have every right to be. So I'm assuming they consented to a search. He's conferring with his partners whether he has some legal grounds to force me to comply with him, you know, his order for me to move 10 feet. Now here they come. Yeah, and again, I'm way away from anything. I'm listening to you. Go ahead, bro. How y'all doing?
He doesn't know you.
Right.
He doesn't know you.
Absolutely.
You don't know these people.
Right.
You weapons out of these cars.
Right.
We're doing an investigation.
Absolutely, I
First of
agree.
all, it's for my safety and for your safety.
Okay.
You might not want to be involved in a traffic investigation or any investigation.
Right.
It's common sense.
Okay.
I asked about 3 times.
Okay.
Step out of the way.
Okay.
This will be beneficial
Yeah.
to you.
And I appreciate you.
Shots go to flying off. He's just right in the middle.
Okay. Well, I actually wasn't right in the middle of anything. Okay. Well, it wasn't dumb. It wasn't smart. There was nothing wrong with. Yeah. Again, there's people, cars, everybody way closer than. Everybody's a lot closer than where I am. Okay. It has. I'm just observing. Okay. I appreciate you. And I am a safe view. All right. Thank you. I appreciate you, brother. I appreciate you guys doing your job.
Don't talk over me, man.
I'm not talking over you. I just told these guys I appreciate them. Okay, I'm done talking. This is a consensual conversation, and I'm ending it right now. Thank you. You have a great day, sir. Yeah. Well, I already have one. You guys be safe out there. Adios, amigos. Let me go get my food. Yes, ma'am. What's that? I'm just recording. They was doing a search on the young brother's car. They didn't ask for consent, but they searched him anyway. So I'm just recording just in case no foolishness happens.
Yeah.
And the big fella, he was wanting to flex his powers, you know. Yeah, telling me I gotta come stand over here and all that. I'm like, I'm on private property, which I have every right to be,
Exactly.
you know.
Yeah.
And I'm just observing.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you're too close. Well, everybody else is way closer than I am. That's driving by, that's walking by, that's, you know.
Exactly. They just
So,
want to be on camera.
yeah. Well, they're public servants, so doing the duty. They're out in public. They don't have any expectations of privacy, you know.
Exactly. Yeah.
But
Yeah, that's crazy.
alrighty.
Yeah, okay,
You have a good night.
Be safe.